Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Rivera Uno, which is located on Saukya Road, Whitefield, Bangalore, a project developed by Goel and Co Group. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. And right now we are standing on the actual land parcel, and this is the marketing office of the project, and the land parcel starts from here itself. Now before moving further, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So as you can have a look, we are here on the actual land parcel where the construction work is in progress, and just behind me, the model villa is here. And now this project is spread across 12.89 acres of land parcel consisting of total 137 villas, with elevation of ground plus one floor, having exclusive 4 BHK villas. Now let me also inform you that the future development plan is already ready, which will be having the commercial space, the tower space in phase 2 and future development. Now let's discuss the location part, and the project is located on Saukya Road in Whitefield, East Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So this is the Saukya main road, and this road will connect you towards Kachrakanahalli, and the opposite side road will take you towards Koralur. Now coming to the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to MBJ College of Engineering in 3.2 kilometers. Whitefield main road is 4.5 kilometers away. Hope Farm metro station is 5 kilometers away from the location. Now coming to the amenities part, and the project provides you 50 plus world-class amenities like of grand clubhouse, mini golf course with amphitheater, kids play area, landscape garden and many more amenities. Now about the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project provides you 4 BHK luxurious villa, where 4 BHK villa is starting from 3450 to 3490 square feet super built-up area. Now let's discuss the booking process, and the project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model and actual villa as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Rivera Uno, which is located on Saukya Road, Whitefield, Bangalore, a project developed by Goel and Co Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.